already know from the title that I'll be showing you in this video how Bambara nut is processed. Bambara nut is Okpa. So this is in international market, Abakaliki, and I went to buy the Bambara nuts. So this woman actually said that this is called pure water. She said that this Bambara nut species is called pure water. So there are like different species, and there are some that are like really really tasty, and there are just some that are just normal, you know. Where I got this Bambara nut from is less than 100-meter distance from where it's blended and sieved. So this I got like just a painter. A painter is a custard bucket. So I just got a custard bucket of Bambara nuts that went for like 3,000 too, and then it was ground for 300 naira. Bambara nut was ground over and over again for three times. It was ground three times for a fine texture, and after that, this lady wearing a socks on her hand sieved the Bambara nut. This was sieved for just 100 naira. The chaff that is gotten from just one custard bucket of Bambara nuts, and you can tell that it's important for the flour to be sieved before you make use of it. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.